Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to customize button mappings, adjust trigger settings, or create profiles for different games, connecting your GameSir G7 Pro to the GameSir Nexus app is an important first step. The app gives you access to various controller features and personalization options, but the connection process must be completed correctly for everything to work smoothly. Connection problems are usually caused by cable issues, outdated software, or the controller not being properly recognized. In this video, I'll guide you through several simple steps that can help you connect your GameSir G7 Pro to the GameSir Nexus app successfully. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the device that will be used with the GameSir G7 Pro. Step 2. Install and open the GameSir Nexus app for the GameSir G7 Pro. Step 3. Connect the GameSir G7 Pro using a compatible connection method. Step 4. Allow the GameSir Nexus app to detect the GameSir G7 Pro. Step 5. Check for updates available for the GameSir G7 Pro inside the app. Step 6. Verify that settings and profiles are accessible for the GameSir G7 Pro in the GameSir Nexus app.